5.
Number 5, I think, is a little deeper than probably what we anticipated me coming up with, but because we were there, like, and we talked about like fish boils and the things I had read online at like Wayne's Words and stuff like that, talking about people catching like hundreds of fish in a day, right?
Right.
And so like I was all geared up to catch a lot of fish, and we just didn't. And I think that because I was so focused on catching fish.
What?
I got what's going on now. Smack talking. Bitch.